Cardio isn't the best way to lose weight. But it's the best way to keep it off. Here's exactly how much you need, and it's less than you think.
The World Health Organization and the CDC both recommend 150 minutes of moderate intensity cardio per week.
That's 30 minutes, 5 days a week. Or 50 minutes, 3 days a week. This number isn't random, it's based on decades of research involving millions of people.
Moderate intensity means your heart rate is between 50 and 70% of your maximum.
A simple test: you can talk, but you can't sing. Walking briskly, cycling at a comfortable pace, swimming laps all count. Here's where it gets interesting.
A 2012 meta-analysis in obesity reviews found that cardio alone produces modest weight loss, about 1.5 kilograms over 12 weeks. But the National Weight Control Registry, which tracks people who lost 15 kilograms and kept it off for a year, found that 90% of successful maintainers exercise regularly.
Most of them do cardio. The dose-response curve for cardio is not linear. The biggest health benefits happen between 0 and 150 minutes per week. Going from 150 to 300 minutes gives you about 20% more benefit. Going from 300 to 450 gives you maybe 10% more. Diminishing returns.
A 2023 study in the Journal of the American College of Cardiology followed 89,000 people with wrist-worn trackers. They found that 7,000 steps per day reduced mortality risk by 50 to 60% compared to sedentary people.
Going above 10,000 steps added very little additional benefit.
The 10,000 step goal was a 1965 Japanese marketing campaign for a pedometer called Monpaquet, which literally means 10,000 steps.
It was marketing, not science. Timing matters.
If you do both strength training and cardio, which you should schedule them on separate days if possible. If you must do both in one session, do strength training first. A 2021 study in the Journal of Strength and Conditioning Research found that doing cardio before lifting reduced strength gains by 15%.
Not all cardio is equal.
Running burns about 600 calories per hour.
Cycling, 500. Swimming, 400. Walking, 250. But here's the catch: the best cardio is the one you'll actually do consistently.
A person who walks 30 minutes every day burns more weekly calories than someone who runs twice a week and skips half their sessions.
Let's recap day 15. Aim for 150 minutes of moderate cardio per week. 7,000 daily steps hits the sweet spot.
Do cardio on separate days from strength training.
The best cardio is the one you'll do consistently.
And remember, cardio keeps the weight off more than it takes it off. Tomorrow, day 16 reveals how to burn up to 2,000 extra calories a day without exercising at all.
See you there.